Good day folks, today in this quick little video we're going to be taking a look at the Smatree Power Station for the DJI Tello. Now Smatree makes these portable power stations for many of the DJI drones. They have one for the DJI Spark, the Mavic Air, the Mavic Pro. They don't have one for the Mavic 2 Pro yet, or the Mavic 2 Zoom. I'm sure one will be coming down the pipe. So in this video we're going to take a look at the one for the Tello. So let's open it up and then we'll take a closer look at it. So inside the box here we have a user pamphlet. Looks like a charging cable. And this is how we're going to be charging the unit up. And we have the actual charger itself. So pretty simple, it's pretty small and compact. So essentially this is a power bank, and the way it works is you charge this unit up and then you plug your Tello drone batteries into it and you can charge them up on the road without having to be around traditional power. So before we get into the specs and how many charges you can do and different things like that, let's get this unit charged up and then we can run some tests. And we do so by using the micro USB cable. We plug it into the in and then we charge it up. You can see there it comes shipped with about a half a charge. So I'll go ahead and get this topped off and then we'll continue our review. So I've got the Smatree Power Station charged up, so let's take a closer look at it before we get some batteries in there. On the side here you'll notice that we have an out, and you can use that to charge different things, your phone, if your phone's getting low. You can actually use it to charge the Tello as well by plugging in a micro USB cable from there to the Tello and charge it traditionally. So technically then you can actually charge 4 things at once, 4 batteries, 3 in the charger, and 1 in the Tello Drone. So you're charging 4 Tello batteries at once, or like I said, your smartphone. Beside that, we have a micro USB port, and that's how we charge up the unit itself. We have 4 LED lights there to indicate how much power is in it, and we also have a button here that tells us how full the charger is, and it's also how we initiate the charging once we have the batteries inside. Now, according to the Smatree website, you can charge 6 Tello batteries in here, so that's actually a fair amount. Now, having a charger like this is really good for travel because you can charge 3 batteries at once instead of 1 at a time in the drone. And not only that, if you're charging your Tello batteries via your drone, while you're charging the drones out of commission. This way you can still charge 3 batteries and still be flying your drone if you have extra spares kicking around, and that's a nice thing. So let me just demonstrate that here for you. I'm going to put this battery back in the Tello Drone. We can take our micro USB cable that came with the Tello Drone. So I've got it plugged in, and you can see here, can see the lights on there. So I'm now actually charging the Tello with a battery installed just via the USB port on the side. And that's what I was saying about you can actually charge 4 Tello batteries at once. You can use 3 here within the bays and 1 in the drone. But let's unhook that. But ideally the best way to charge is just by plugging them into the ports here. Now I only own 2 batteries for my Tello Drone, so that's all I can test with. So once you've got your batteries loaded, to initiate the charging, you're just going to press the button on the side there. Now once we've started charging, you can see there, these 2 lights are red. That's because we only have batteries in those 2 bays. This one's green because it's empty. So when these batteries are fully charged, those will turn green to signify that it's ready to go. So I'm just going to set that aside. Let's let that charge up and I will be back and we'll see how long it takes. So all the batteries are charged now. It took a little over an hour. So it doesn't matter whether you're charging 1 battery, 2 batteries like I did here, or 3 batteries. You're looking at an hour to charge all 3 at once. So that's not bad considering it would take you quite a bit of time to charge all 3 batteries via the drone by plugging it into a USB port. So all in all, it's a great little accessory. Whether you own the Tello Drone yourself, or maybe with the holiday season coming up, you're maybe thinking of it as a gift for somebody, it makes a nice little accessory for your Tello setup. Anyways, folks, that is the Smatree Power Station for the Tello Drone. Hopefully you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.